Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect area rug, definitely check out TANVILL because look how cute my new rug is. We have the 2 by 3 foot rug in front of our sliding door where our dog comes in and out all day long. It helps keep his paws nice and dry before he enters the house, helping our floor stay cleaner. The pattern is so beautiful. I love the colors in it, and the fabric is so soft and cozy on your feet. The bottom has a nice anti-slip texture, so it's nice because you don't have to put anything under it because it barely moves when you walk on it. And did I mention the best part is that it is machine washable? So no matter what size you're looking for, small for an entryway or large for a bedroom, you're definitely going to want to check out TANVILL. Not only is the fabric just so soft, the pattern is so beautiful, it's washable, and this rug is going to last you a long time. What else can you ask for? But that's just my point of view.